This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you guys are capitalizing on the market so far this week. In this video, I want to just give a quick analysis for gold and what's been happening so far in the market. And as usual, I'll start up with the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, we can see that so far this week has started strongly. It has broken this previous support area as well, now heading back down to the support area around the just around the 1833 area, and around the trend line as well. And then we'll see how price reacts to that when it gets there. If price breaks the trend line, then most likely price would continue all the way to the downside. And but if price gets to the trend line and the support area here and forms a bullish reversal, then we'll be looking to take our price to the upside. So on the daily time frame, we can see what's happening. We can see that the Monday candle strongly broke through the support area. And if you remember my analysis from the price was bearish, and I was expecting price to break that support level. And the reason why is just the formation of this to downside. That is a bearish reversal candlestick pattern. And then now the candle that followed was a strong bearish candle which broke through this support area. Okay, and if we go down to the 4-hour time frame, this is why I took my entry. I waited for price to break the resistance level. Most people, however, were looking at this area here as a reversal point to form an inverse head and shoulder pattern, and they said that's very possible, but it's also very likely and most likely, however, that price would break that level all the way down to support level here. And if price gets to the support level, one of two things can happen. If that price forms a bullish reversal or price breaks through it, and see price broke through it strongly. So when price tried to reverse, I was able to quickly enter my trade, and then around this 1869, 1870 area. Okay, currently we are about 100 pips in profit, and I'm looking to get almost 350 pips on this particular move. So the question now is, how can you capitalize on this move if you're not already on it? Well, I would say there are two things that you can do. Okay, but it requires a lot of patience. One, you can either be very patient and wait for price just to complete this downward move and get all the way down to the support area down here around the 1833 area. So if price is able to get to this 1833 area or the trend line, then we can look to see how price reacts to this area. Okay, so it's either price would bounce off that area or price would break through the area. So there's either a bounce back up to the upside, not necessarily all the way up, but maybe back to this resistance level around the 1873 area before price rejects to the downside, or price may just break through this and then continue its down move. So either this happens or price bounces straight from that support all the way to the next resistance area. So that's what we'll be looking at if you are not already in this down move. So you have to be patient and just wait for this move to be completed. On the other hand, another thing that can happen is price retracing quickly back up to this resistance area here, because price has gotten close to it, but price hasn't really tested it yet. So what we can do is to be patient and wait for price to get all the way to the back to this resistance area here. And if price gives us a reversal candlestick pattern here, a bearish reversal pattern, then we can also take our sell trade back to the downside. So that's very possible that it can happen, and that's why my stop loss is at this level here. So if price gets back to this resistance level here, then I'll enter more positions there. But if price doesn't, just wait for price to get down here and see how price reacts. So this is just a quick analysis for gold, just to show you what's been happening in the market. So far I'm still bearish, and I'm still waiting for price to get down to the 1833 area, and that's where I'll be looking for buying or selling opportunities. But if price ends up reversing to the resistance area at the 1875 area, then I'll look for sell opportunities from there as well. So, and if price gets down to this 1833 area, one of two things can happen. Either price bounces off that area or price breaks through it. And if price breaks through it, then we expect more significant down move on that. So this has been my analysis for gold so far. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you have, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis video. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great rest of the week. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright.